class 11 student, this is associated angles third video. In first and second video I discussed how to do these sums. I will do today also from here few sums. See sum number 2 part 1. We have to find the value of sine minus 330 degree. I told that sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. This is one formula. So sine minus theta, sine minus 330 degree equal to minus sine 330 degree. This can be written as 3 into 90 plus 60 degree. 3 9 are 27 plus 60, that is 330. Here it is odd multiple. If sine odd multiple, then it will be cos theta, this one. The right side one we have to put. Sine odd multiple will be cos and the theta. Last one we have to write. And the same time we have to see the quadrant. 3 into 90 means start from here. Always this is the baseline. Always we have to start from this line. This is the baseline. Always we have to start from here. Then this is 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90 plus theta, that is fourth quadrant. All sine, tan, cos positive here. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. All sine, tan, cos positive. Fourth quadrant, cos positive. But our sum is sine. So we have to give one minus sign here. One minus sign was there, another minus sign I am giving. So minus into minus, it is plus. So cos 60 degree value is half. This is the answer. The next one, cosec minus theta means minus cosec theta. This is formula. Now this one can be written as 15 into 90 plus 60 degree. Now cosec odd multiple, then cosec will be sec. Theta means 60 degree. Cosec odd multiple, that's why sec theta means 60 degree here. Now we have to see again quadrant. 15 into 90, start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 into 90 plus theta, that is here. All sine, tan, cos positive. But our sum is cosec. The beginning one you see, our sum is cosec. But here it is cos only positive. So one minus sign will come. So minus and another minus. It will come plus. Sec 60 value 2. So this is the answer. Now 2 part 3. Tan 11 pi by 4. Now value of pi 180 degree. So put the value. Then 11 into 45. It will be 495. You can divide it 5 into 90 plus 45 degree. Now tan odd multiple will be cot. One formula I have given. Those who are not understanding here, you see the first video of associated angle. You can understand everything. Then come and see this video. Tan odd multiple will be cot. Now let us see the sign, what is happening. So 5 into 90 plus theta. So 5 into 90, see here. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 90 plus. So here it is coming second quadrant. All sine positive. But our sum is tan. So one minus sign will come. 45 value 1. So it is minus 1. Next. Here value of pi 180 degree you put. Okay, sec minus theta means sec theta only. This formula also I have given in the first video. Then it is coming 1380. This can be broken down 15 into 90 plus 30. Since odd multiple, so sec will be cosec theta. Now cosec 30 and see the quadrant 15 into 90. This is 4, 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15 into 90 plus theta. That is fourth quadrant. All sine, tan, cos positive. Sec also positive. So plus sign only. Cosec 30 value 2. Similarly, this one also value of pi you put and do the sum. Now see here, cos 120 minus half given, all sine. So second quadrant cos negative. So our angle is in the second quadrant. How do I understand? Because cos 120 is given minus half. 120 it will come from, this is 90 something, 120 it is in the second quadrant. That is why cos 120 given minus half, because second quadrant sine positive, so cos should be negative, that is why. Now we have to find the value of sine 120. So that can be written 1 into 90 plus 30 degree. So sine odd multiple will be cos theta. And since this is second quadrant, it will be negative. So sine, sorry, this is sine. So second quadrant sine positive, so here will be positive plus sine. Now cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So this is the answer. Similarly, tan 120 you can write sine 120 by cos 120. This way also you can do, or direct you can do tan 1 into 90 plus 30. Similarly, this sum. Then see tan 210 degree. This can be written as 2 into 90 plus 30. 180 plus 30. So 2 into 90 start from here. 1 into 90, 2 into 90 plus 30. So it is coming in the third quadrant. Now all sine tan. Third quadrant tan positive, our sum also tan. So plus sine. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3, done. Similarly cosec 120 also the same way. This sum also you can do. I am not explaining this one. Now see this one. It is told that A is in between 0 to 360 degree. Now all sine tan cos. Here first quadrant and third quadrant tan positive, but our root 3 in negative form. So this is either in the second quadrant or in the fourth quadrant, because second quadrant sine positive and fourth quadrant cos positive, but tan negative. So tan can be negative here and can be negative here. So if I consider in the second quadrant, then I have to write root 3 equal minus root 3 equal to tan 2 into 90 minus 60, because you see here 1 into 90, 2 into 90 minus 60, if I give, it is coming here again in the second quadrant. That is why this way I have written. So tan cancel, then A equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. And you know 120 degree, it is in the second quadrant only. Now fourth quadrant, you see 1, 2, 3, fourth quadrant, and minus I am giving, that is 4 into 90 minus 60 if I give. So 1, 2, 3, 4 minus theta, that is coming in the fourth quadrant. Now tan cancel, then A equal to 4 9 360 minus 60, that is 300 degree. So value of A either 120 or 360. See 120 also in between this, 300 also in between this. So we have got the answer, this one and this one. Similarly, this sum also we can do, that's not a problem, because here 90 and 180 in between. So this is in the second quadrant, and we know second quadrant how to go. 2 into 90 minus 30. Actually 1 into 90 plus also we can go, but in that case 1 into 90 means sine will be cos. That's why we cannot do, because sine. That is why we cannot bring it in cos. This one also same thing. So that's all for this video.